Ravalli County Commissioners approved the Legacy Ranch subdivision this past summer, ending one of the most contentious land use disputes the Bitterroot has seen in several years. That approval, with a long list of conditions, gives the owners permission to develop more than 600 single and multifamily housing units on the 500 acres of property northwest of Stevensville over the next 30 years. But the local planning advocacy group Bitterrooters for Planning is looking to the courts to overturn that decision. This week they filed a lawsuit challenging the project, which has been expected from even before commissioners took their final vote. The group argues that the county not only didn't follow its own subdivision guidelines, but state law as well.
Our regulations locally are in conflict with the state regulations, so they're not following the state regulations either. So we see that they just have not followed the legal part in following their own regulations.
After they approved the subdivision in July, commissioners acknowledged the vast majority of speakers had been against the project, but said they had little choice but to see if the project met the requirements under state law. In the suit, opponents argued the county committed 7 different violations, ranging from impacts on agriculture to illegally approving future phases of the subdivision and the right to meaningful public participation or ignoring evidence presented by the opponents. That includes the argument that Montana law doesn't provide an inherent right to subdivide.
In balance, it seems like the regulations are protecting the developer from the public rather than vice versa, which is what the intent of the Platting and Siting Act is.
The suit has just been filed in Ravalli County District Court this week, and it's expected to be several days before the county files a response. In Hamilton, Dennis Bragg, MTN News.